Hi, welcome you all to the Science with Channel, the teacher. Today we are going to discuss a grade 7 chapter, that is chapter 13, the atmosphere. So in this lesson, you have to learn about what are the main layers in the atmosphere and what are the special characteristics, as well as how its temperature is changing from one layer to another layer. When we talk about the 5 layers, the first layer is known as the troposphere. Next, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. These are the 5 layers which are starting from the ground level to the space. So we will see in this graph I have shown you, as the y-axis I have given you the height from the sea level. That means from the ground, what is the height? This each and every layer is representing in kilometers. And to the x-axis you can see that there is the temperature which is given in the Celsius. So these values are minus, then 0, again the positive values. Now we'll see what are the special features and how the temperature is changing in these layers. When we talk about first the troposphere, that is the layer where we are living. This normal atmosphere where we are living, we name it as the troposphere. Here is the place where all these climatic changes are happening. As well as aeroplanes, helicopters, parachutes, they are also moving in this troposphere. And in the troposphere, you can see the temperature in this direction. To this direction, the temperature is high, and to this right hand direction, the temperature is getting low. So in the troposphere, you can see when we are going to the upwards, the temperature is decreasing. The main reason for this is at the lowest place of the troposphere, it is in touch with the land and the sea. So land and sea is getting heated by the sunlight. But when it is going to the upwards, that heating ability is getting reduced because it is going away from the land and sea. Because of that, you can see when we are going upward in the troposphere, the temperature is decreasing. So its height is about 0 to 15 kilometers from the sea level. The next layer is the stratosphere. This is the important layer in our atmosphere because it is the place where the ozone layer is present. So ozone layer is important in absorbing the UV radiation, ultraviolet radiation of the sun. Because of they are absorbing these ultraviolet rays, its temperature is increasing. Since it is absorbing the ultraviolet rays, the temperature of the stratosphere is very high. So you can see from the 15 kilometers to the 50 kilometers, that area we called as the stratosphere. In that one, the temperature is gradually increasing. As well as there are no any turbulences or no storms are happening here. The wind is also blowing only to one direction. The jets are moving in this layer. So there are very low amount of turbulences in this layer. Next layer is the mesosphere. You can see its temperature is going to these minus values. When it is going upwards, its temperature is about minus 20, 30. Because this is known as the coldest layer of the atmosphere. In this layer, all the water vapor has frozen into ice clouds. So its temperature is very, very low. It's about minus value. Its height is from 50 to 80 kilometers from the sea level. Next layer is the thermosphere. So in this wording sense, it is given thermo. It has some sort of heat. From 80 kilometers to 120 kilometers, it is the thermosphere. In this layer, the air particles in this layer absorb more and more sunlight. As well as this one is more closer to the sun than the other 3 layers. That's why its temperature is going to about 30, 40, 50 degrees Celsius. The last layer is the exosphere. It's a very thin, that is the thinnest layer in our atmosphere, and still there is no any boundary. We are telling that it is more than 120 kilometers above. And there is no any exact boundary from the exosphere and the space. So these are the main important layers which are available in our atmosphere. So without the atmosphere, we can't live. Because there is no one to change the temperature changes, these temperature changes will not occur. As well as if there is no any ozone layer, so the ultraviolet rays will fall onto our earth and we will get different skin cancers, as well as these UV rays are very harmful. They will destroy all our forests and our plant generations. Then we will not find any food to eat, as well as animals also have to suffer because of this high heat. Then if there is no troposphere, because 75% of the air is present in this troposphere, oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, argon. So if there is no gases when there is no atmosphere, that means there is no any gases for the living beings to respire. So definitely without atmosphere there will be a death of the world also. So atmosphere is a very important thing in our living environment, as well as we have to protect these layers without destroying them by air pollution. So this is a very small part I want to discuss with you. So again, with another video we will meet with another chapter. So thank you very much for watching my YouTube channel. Thank you.